It's Lake Muzzle over here in the state of Kentucky. Where I'm hunting at tonight, we call it the barn stand because there's an old tobacco barn in here. It's so grown up in here now that you can't like even see it. But I got a holler over here to my left. We don't ever go in that holler. We kind of get it's off limits to everybody. So what I'm hoping tonight, with the movement being mostly at night because they've been pressured all year, what I'm hoping is them deer get up earlier in that holler, come out here in this little patch of woods here, stage up for hitting out into the field after it gets dark. So I figure this is my best opportunity to try to get on one. So all I need is a doe. Uh, my buddy still, my buddy still got a buck tag. He's hunting in the front field, so we're gonna see what happens this evening. It's supposed to have some bad weather coming in tomorrow, a bunch of rain, so if it's raining real hard tomorrow, I won't be out in it, especially with this camera and the cold. We're hoping to get it done tonight, so. Got a southeast wind blowing perfect up out of that holler, so. Hoping to get up on our feet early. But yeah, hang in here, we'll see if we can get it done this evening. shot at a doe. And deer done just what I thought they was gonna do. Be honest with you, I couldn't tell you how many deer I seen come out of that holler over there. The bad part about it is it's so thick, I couldn't get a shot at none of them. I couldn't even video them. We worked up out of that holler, come out here to the edge of this field. And one of them seen me moving the camera to get on her, or I might get my gun. I guess my jacket caught on the side of this bark and made all kinds of rackets, so. But anyway, she kind of trotted off, and then the mama come out. Well, I shot at her, but I don't know. You know how that smoke gets in your eyes? It was exciting. But them deer come out and I couldn't get a shot at them. I couldn't even video, it's so thick in here. But I tell you, there must have been, I know, 5 or 6 deer come up out there. Anyway, I'm gonna climb on down here in a few minutes, get all my stuff together. Walk out there and see if I can't find some blood before it gets dark. Stick in there with me. Alright, well, I've climbed down. And walk out there and see if we can't find some blood. Look around here and I'll get back with you. I'm sitting there trailing her up. I look right up her head, and there she lays, so go over take a look at her. I tagged out for 2020 season now. Exciting. Like I say, I don't know how many deer come up out of that holler, but they just kept piling in there, and it was so thick I couldn't get a shot at them. I had one come out here beside me, and she saw me trying to move. She blew and run off with this, and here kept coming out there in the field, so I threw a gun up and shot her, so. I'm happy. Heck yeah. Big old head on her. Right there behind the leg. I'm happy. Alright, well, I'll walk back up and get all my stuff. Wait for my buddy to get up here. I think he's headed to the truck now, so. Oh no, it was a great day. I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, here she is. Good sized doe. We're at something that's nice, something to holler. We never go down in this holler. It's kind of like a sanctuary for them, but I was sitting there this evening and it's so thick in there. I saw deer from about 4:30 on, but I could not get a shot at them because it's so thick. They was just going back and forth. Never would come over into my corn pile on my camera, but sit there and watch them for a while. They want to go out in the field and they turn around and come back in. When next time I look out in the field, there's 3 or 4 of them standing out there, but where my stand's at, there's a cedar tree to my hard left, and all I could see was their legs. Well, something happened. They just turned around and walked back in the woods, and I saw them walking back up towards the top of the holler. When then next they just stopped, turn around, and come back out towards the field. So well, this time I had another doe lead them out across the field. Well, she come in, she spotted me moving because I had to stand up and get the camera turned all the way around the tree to get on them. But when she spotted me, and my arm kind of, I don't know, I guess you say grazed up against the bark, kind of made a little sound. Well, she blew and run off. Well, I seen this one out there about another 60 yards past her. Well, she comes on out there, stops, looks around, takes 5 or 6 more steps, gives me a perfect broadside shot. So I took it. Now, what's funny about this hunt is I was getting everything ready today to come down here with my buddy, and I left my primers at the house, my reloads. All I had was a gun. Lucky enough, my buddy Jerry let me borrow a primer. But I texted him, told him I shot one, and he was going to hunt on out through the evening, but he decided to come on down and come out here and help me. So we ain't going to waste much time. We'll get this deer taken care of, get her to the house. My girlfriend's going to like this jerky, so y'all stick in there with us.